Checkmating the lone king when you have only a one or two pieces left may seem frustrating, but we'll show you how to do this quickly and easily. There are many possible situations, for example, king and queen versus king, king and two rooks versus king, or just king and a rook versus king. In this lesson, we'll handle the last situation, king and a rook versus king. Whenever you have a rook or queen against a lone king, your objective should be to push it in a corner. At every step, the king will be able to move within an ever-shrinking area.